BigCommerce brands like yours are serious about performance, scalability, and growth. You've built your business on a platform that's flexible enough to handle complex catalogs, custom features, and enterprise-grade operations. But even with all of that, it's becoming harder and harder to control your customer relationships with a website alone. That's why every BigCommerce brand needs to think about launching a mobile app. An app gives you a stronger, more direct connection to your best customers and your most efficient revenue channel. Most of e-commerce now happens on mobile, so you need to meet your customer where they are. An app keeps your brand front and center, literally on their home screen. You get free direct communication through push notifications for launches, promos, and abandoned carts, with no algorithms or ad costs in the way. It's a powerful retention and engagement channel that every growing BigCommerce brand should have. The challenge is, BigCommerce sites aren't simple. You've got custom checkout flows, integrations, loyalty systems, and maybe even headless builds, which make launching a native app tricky. Building a mobile app from scratch can mean a six-figure bill and up to 12 months before you actually go live. Meanwhile, most no-code app builders can't handle BigCommerce's advanced features or custom logic. You end up with something basic, off-brand, and limited. So while it's clear that you need an app, finding a way to actually launch one that matches your site's quality and doesn't cost the world has been hard until now. MobiLoud converts your existing BigCommerce site into a fully native mobile app for both iOS and Android. Your entire site, including products, checkout, loyalty programs, and analytics tools, work out of the box. You don't rebuild or maintain two systems. You manage everything through BigCommerce as usual, and your app updates automatically whenever your site does. Our team handles all the heavy lifting: configuration, testing, app store submissions, and ongoing maintenance. You get a high-performing mobile app without the cost, complexity, or overhead. And it doesn't matter how custom your setup is. Multi-store, multi-language, loyalty integrations, wholesale functionality, MobiLoud handles it all. With MobiLoud, your app becomes a natural extension of your BigCommerce store, a high-performance sales channel that runs on autopilot and strengthens your connection with your best customers. You'll unlock push notifications, higher conversions, and stronger retention for a fraction of the time and cost of custom app development. If your store runs on BigCommerce, MobiLoud is the fastest, most reliable way to launch your app and grow your business on mobile. Go to mobiloud.com to see how we can help you turn your BigCommerce site into a world-class mobile app.